Greatest and salutations once here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made the staff. It's been unusual how I didn't make this though, but you can see where I come from when you got left with the old devices and don't want to spend any more on the staff. Without further ado, please continue on. Then the staff. Okay, the staff is it's made out of one like 48 tall. I cut three pieces prior to me actually filming, so I'm sorry that you don't get to see me cutting it up. No, but you get like the doll from like the craft store or your home improvement stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, or anything that is local to you. I I yeah, I also added like craft foam like from the craft store, like the thickest foam that they had. I just had like scraps of it, and I used that to kind of extend the staff some. This like that looks more coherent to my height. I'm 5'7", so if you make it taller than yourself or like I did make it smaller for like storage and traveling purposes. That's why I made it like three pieces. I took what we call it the tops of the bottles. I cut like the necks off and used the caps with the two to make screws. So I could screw the staff together when I am in this cosplay. Uh, I just used the one that I had available to me though. And when I put the glue the foam on, I kind of wrapped masking tape around them, and then use masking tape again to kind of hold the screws in place. That's what I call the bottle top screws. It's kind of in my head together. That I took basically air dry clay, put on top of the to make staff kind of screws more like adherent to the staff. So with the towels, and then I used wood glue and it's like just the air dry clay. You can use any air dry clay you want, like Crayola, just storm brand, whatever, or whatever you have. Oh, but it's whatever you want to use, basically. In though, and when I did that, I took like scraps of, I took like scraps of like not really thin foam, but like the thinnest foam they sell at the craft store. I had scraps of that as well. Cut them up and puzzle them together in the on the staff though. I'll just to make, just to give again the more graphic visual depth to the staff. And I did not have a normal, so I used what do you call it, a wood burning tool. Make it more like kind of make the dowel more natural. No, the staff more like organic looking, like it actually came from an actual tree branch. It's the actual tree branch, and did that. You can definitely use a normal. You don't have to use a wood burning thing. Oh, then I use paper mache with the. I'm kind of blanking right now. What paper I used though, but I also um I also what have I like in I just like paper mache the whole entire thing together, and I used a mixture of wood glue and Mod Podge and just and like a little bit of waters there, and just like glued it down. and that's how I got like the effect on the staff. I used for the paint job on the staff, I used like a medium like color on it. I used a medium brown color in the entirety of the staff, and I took like a more of like a blackish brown color and went into the crevices the um of of the staff to give them more depth and everything. And I believe that's it. I don't think it's way to seal it yet though, but do seal it, make it look nice and pretty. This is actually some match for the seal. But without further ado, I'm gonna leave you guys here with the rest of the video, and please go check out the rest of my Wama cosplay, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.